Student, today we are going to solve simultaneous equation in two variables by determinant methods. तो determinant method क्या होता है? यहाँ पर A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. We multiply by A to the D and B to the C. A multiply by D minus B multiply by C. A multiply by D minus B multiply by C. अब हमारे पास सपोज क्वेश्चन है 3, 4, 2, 5. Now we find determinant. Determinant is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4. 3 5s are 15 minus 2 4s are 8. 15 minus 8, the answer will be 7. Determinant is equal to 7. This is a simple type of sum of determinants. If it come in exam, ये exam में 1 mark के लिए आता है. Now we solve one question of determinants fraction type. Fraction लेकर हम लोग उसको solve करते हैं. सेवन अपॉन 3, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 3, 1 upon 2. It's very simple. आप लोग फ्रैक्शन देखते हो और डर जाते हो, बट बहुत सिंपल होता है. हाउ यू सॉल्व इट? 7 upon 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 upon 2 माइनस 5 upon 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 upon 2. 7 1 is 7, 3 2 is 6 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 15 minus 8 upon 6. If it is simplified, we simplified it. अगर ये simplify होता है तो हम लोग इसको कर लेंगे. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6 minus 4 upon 3. Determinant is equal to minus 4 upon 3. This is simple sum of determinants. 1.3 एक्सरसाइज का सिंपल सम है जो एग्जाम में 1 मार्क्स के लिए आता है. नाउ वी सॉल्व सेकंड क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 1.3. फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 1.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज व्हाट? सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन यूजिंग क्रैमर्स रूल. क्रैमर्स मेथड से हम लोग साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट, व्हाट्स द इक्वेशन? वी राइट थर्ड का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The first question of third question, that is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now in this, first we find determinant. How we find determinants? Determinant will be found by this 3 4. In a column we write 3 4 minus 4 and 3. In a row 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4. In a row 4 3, 4 and 3. And in a column 3 4 and 4 3. Now we find determinants. 3 into 3 minus 4 into 3 minus 4 into 4. This 3 multiplied by 3 and minus 4 multiplied by 4. 3 3s are 9 minus minus plus 4 4s are 16. Determinant is equal to 25. First we find determinant. After finding determinants, we find value of dx. dx find out करेंगे हम लोग. कैसे dx find out करेंगे? dx हमारा determinant आया है 25. We write over here determinant 25. Now we find dx. अब dx हमको निकालना है, तो for dx we don't take value with the x. We take instead of x we take 10 and 5. हम लोग x की जगह पे 10 and 5 ले लेंगे और instead of y minus 4 and 3. Now 10 multiplied by 3 and 4 multiplied by 5. dx is equal to 10 into 3 minus 4 into 5, 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. dx is equal to 50. dx, the value of dx is equal to what? 50. dx का वैल्यू क्या आ गया? 50 आ गया. After finding dx, now we find dy. हम लोग dy का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. dy का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. यहाँ मैं dx लिख दे रहा हूँ. dx is equal to 50. अब यहाँ पर dy फाइंड आउट करना. For dy we don't take value of 5. First we take 3 and 4, and after we take 10 and 5. Instead of 5 we take 10 and 5. dy is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 minus 10 multiplied by 4. dy is equal to 15 minus 40. dy is equal to 15 minus 40 minus 25. dy का वैल्यू आ गया minus 25. After finding dx and dy, dx and dy, हमने जब dx and dy फाइंड आउट कर लिया, dy क्या आया था अपने पास minus 25. Now it's time to find xy. For find value of x, dx upon d, x is equal to 50 upon d. D is what? 25. 25 2s are 50. And y? dy upon d, the value of dy is what? Minus 25 upon 25, the value is minus 1. Y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 2, and y is equal to minus 2. The solution of equation is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. अब हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 करेंगे. 1.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. We will do क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Why क्वेश्चन नंबर 6? Because क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में फ्रैक्शन है, और जैसा कि मुझे मालूम है फ्रैक्शन देख के तुम लोग डर जाते हो, तो we will do one question of fraction. What is that? 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now first we find determinant. Determinant is equal to what? 2 and 1, 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Determinant 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 multiplied by 1. 2 cancel, minus 1 minus 3. The determinant is equal to minus 4. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. X minus y upon 2 is equal to half. For determinant we take 2, 1, and 3 and minus 1 upon 2. The fraction is a minus 1 upon 2. Now we find dx. For dx we will take 2 and 1 upon 2 and 3 minus 1 upon 2. dx is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3 into minus 3 into 1 upon 2. 2 cancel, minus 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus 2 minus 3 upon 2. The value will be minus 5 upon 2. dx, the value of dx is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So student, we find d is equal to minus 4 and dx is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Now we find dy. dy is equal to what? 2, 1 upon 2. Sorry, 1 upon 2 नहीं, 2, 1 upon 2. dy is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 cancel, 1 minus 2. The value will be minus 1. dy is equal to minus 1. Now we find x. X is equal to what? Dx upon d. Dx is what? Minus 5 upon 2 divided by d. D is what? The value of d is a minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 5 upon 2 divided by minus 4. minus 5 upon 2 into 1 upon minus 4. So minus 5 upon 8, minus minus cancel, the value is of 5 upon 8. X का value आ गया 5 upon 8. Now we find y. We find y. Y is equal to what? dy upon d. dy upon d. dy is what? Minus 1 and d is what? Minus 4. Minus minus cancel. Y is equal to 1 upon 4. The value of y is 1 upon 4 and x is 5 upon 8. The solution of equation is 5 upon 8 and y 1 upon 4.